It is National Vanilla Ice Cream Day. Did you know that?
Mm-mm.
Well, America's #1 flavor we should be celebrating, but only by eating it. That's it. No other way.
Nah, it's cool in a cone or in a dish, but apparently not in the bed.
Nope.
Dr. V is here with Houston Relationship Therapy to talk about what to do if you have a vanilla sex life. What in the world is a vanilla sex life, Dr. V?
Okay, well, I might have to do a little throwback to my Married at First Sight days. You might have heard it as basic Caucasian sex.
Oh, Lord.
It's a throwback. If you know, you know. So here it is. There are so many couples who are engaging in sexuality together on a regular basis. But it's kind of blah, it's kind of expected, it's predictable, which again is great when it comes to that Bluebell vanilla.
Oh, plain like vanilla ice cream.
Okay. It like all just came together for you.
All the toppings on top, and then it's okay, right?
You can do a little toppings, a little accessories, or you might be thinking, well, maybe a little French vanilla. It doesn't have to be all the way to Rocky Road or even chocolate. But a little French vanilla, and there are some really great reasons to kind of elevate that vanilla.
All right, you got to go through the reason.
Yes. Okay. So the first one, of course, is to deepen emotional connection. Anytime that you're able to express yourself or sex-express yourself in the bedroom and outside of the bedroom, it's going to help you to feel like you're being more vulnerable, like your desires are being shared, and that helps you to feel closer to your partner. And more importantly, you feel like you know what your partner's into, which isn't always the easiest thing to know.
What else does this help, and what else should you be doing?
Yeah, the other thing that it does is it can really enhance your sexual satisfaction. That's the sort of thing where if you're able to say, you know what, I really enjoyed this, or I really like this, or I prefer more of this. Again, staying away from that negative talk. Please don't do this. Please don't do that. Unless it's like crossing a major boundary over and over again. But make sure that you're talking about what you do like. That can help you to feel more satisfied because you might actually have a partner who wants to do these things with you. Yay, but you won't know unless you ask.
So you've got to discuss about experimenting, anything else. Talk about it. Are you talking about it or suggesting you do this in bed, or does this happen like over dinner somewhere?
Well, so I'm a big fan of having weekly check-ins. They don't always have to do with sexuality, but they can. And of course, if you're interested in that, just DM the word check-in to Dr. Viviana on Instagram, and I'll send it over to you. But this is an opportunity for you to speak openly, even if you're a little bit nervous, right? Even if you're like, we've never really talked about this before. Practice and knowing that you have a time set aside every week to talk about these things and bring them to light is really important. It helps you feel like you might actually grow in that space instead of just staying stagnant and vanilla.
So then you feel a bit more secure in your relationship?
Definitely you're going to feel more secure. Again, knowing what it is that your partner wants and knowing that they know what you want, there's just something about the knowing piece. So many people that I speak to at Houston Relationship Therapy are like, I just don't really know. I don't know if they like me. I don't know if they love me. I feel like they maybe don't know. Maybe I'm not satisfying them. But knowing, because you have these regular conversations, just feels like it makes you feel more secure. It makes you feel more stable. And, of course, it's a platform to then grow off of. And then maybe you do get all the sprinkles and all the whipped toppings. Enjoy your vanilla ice cream today, by the way.
Hey, that's good to know. And how do people find you if they need even more tips? Because you're always offering them.
Got them all. Go to my social media, any of the platforms, but especially Instagram, and DM the word check-in to Dr. Viviana, DoctorViviana, and I'll get those tips over to you right away.
So we don't like plain, bland vanilla ice cream.
Not all the time. It's a nice go-to, but not all the time. You got to take it up a notch, Dylan. Come on.
There you go.
There you go.
Coming up, how AI is helping doctors detect a common cancer and men even faster.